Hi, I'm EyeOnAiman. Welcome back to one of my videos in the series of home security and video surveillance systems. In my last video, I showed you how to hook up a PTZ camera to the app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up a Wi-Fi smart camera to an ONVIF compliant NVR, just like this. There are two ways to set up this camera to the NVR, wired and wireless. We'll talk about wired first. So in order to set up the wired, using the wired method, of course, you need an Ethernet cable or a LAN cable. What you want to do is you want to take the LAN cable and you want to put it in the port right here. Then you want to connect it to your NVR. In our case, we have it set up to a splitter. The reason that we need the splitter is because in order for the camera to transmit to your NVR, it has to transmit to your router. And in order for your router to transmit to your NVR, it has to be connected to the NVR. So one of these cables actually runs all the way to the router to the NVR, or to the splitter, and another wire runs from the camera to the splitter, and the splitter, in the end, is connected to the NVR. I hope that was easy to explain. Or, I hope that was easy to understand, because it is like 11:30 at night right now. The next step is to take your mouse, and what you want to do is you want to let me click off of here. You want to right click video manage. Then you want to click the protocol, make sure it's ONVIF. This means ONVIF compliant. You want to click, I guess a precaution is you could always just make sure that it's factory reset, but we already factory reset it, so we should be alright. And the next step is you can refresh it. Alternatively, you can, for now we'll just refresh it. Wait, hold on. I just realized, is it actually on? Someone did, I'm not gonna say who didn't plug it in, but okay. Hold on, we'll come back when it turns on.
Wait to be configured.
Okay, now it's on. I don't know how that happened. Now what we can do is press refresh. What should happen is that the camera should show up.
Configured.
As you can see, the camera showed up. It's registered under the device name NVT with a random IP address, and finally the ONVIF protocol. What you can do now is you can either use auto add in order to add it to your channels, or you can double click it. It doesn't matter where you double click it as long as it's on the camera.
It's on the
connect failed. Oh, connect success. Alright. Okay. There we go. So, as you can see at the bottom, the PTZ camera is set up to the NVR. Alright. Let's talk about the PTZ function. You can actually control the pan, tilt, and zoom of the camera using the NVR. Let me show you how. We're going to click on the camera itself, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and one of these says PTZ control. So we click that, and you can see that we're able to basically control the pan, tilt, and zoom. So first off, there is the the pan, the zoom. It's a bit slow if you couldn't tell. Let's try to focus on my family picture right there. And it also has a zoom. So, you can see the optical zoom is trying its best. And it is slow. There's also a speed function at the bottom here, but we're not really sure what that does right now. Now, of course, the speed function controls how fast the camera goes, but when we press the button, it goes the same rate as it does at 1. So I'm guessing that if you hold it down, maybe there's a difference, but wait, hold on. Actually, let me see. Let's see what happens if you hold it down. Oh, no difference. Well, we'll get back to you on that, but right now, we're going to zoom in on that. There we go. So there's also a focus. Not sure what an iris is. And I guess that's the PTZ controls for you. Alright, so that's how we set up the camera through wired method. Now, let's talk about the wireless method. I'm EyeOnAiman, and thanks for watching. Please like or comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman on the home security and video surveillance systems. Most of the videos we've done have been on the Hiseeu brand, but maybe we'll branch out, but it might be best to stick with the same brand, so just for consistency's sake. But let's see, maybe I can try to rotate to me and I can do my closing over there. It's gonna take like a whole minute. Let's see. It's a very slow system. Whoa, okay. That's kind of Inception. Alright, hold on. Right. Alright. I'm EyeOnAiman, and signing out. Peace. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that didn't echo. But anyway, signing out. Peace.